Welcome to the 2026 update on Advanced Clinical Brazilian Waxing Standards. In this educational overview, we'll explore professional techniques that emphasize hygiene, precision, and client care. Clinical waxing is more than hair removal. It's a structured procedure designed to support skin health, consistency, and professional practice. Before every appointment, the treatment room should be cleaned and prepared according to professional hygiene protocols. All required tools and disposable materials are arranged in advance to maintain an efficient workflow. Hand hygiene is performed before putting on a fresh pair of disposable gloves. Equipment is inspected to ensure every item is clean, functional, and ready for use. The wax heater is preheated and monitored to maintain a stable working temperature throughout the procedure. A small test of the wax consistency confirms that it has reached the ideal working texture. The skin is visually assessed for irritation, cuts, inflammation, or other conditions that may require postponing treatment. Skin hydration and sensitivity are considered before selecting the most appropriate wax formula. A clinical polymer wax formulated for sensitive skin is selected for optimal comfort and performance. The treatment area is cleansed to remove oils, cosmetics, or surface impurities before waxing begins. A protective pre-wax product is applied to create a clean working surface while helping reduce excess moisture. Wax is applied smoothly in the direction of hair growth using even pressure and consistent thickness. A rounded edge is created to provide a secure grip for controlled removal. The wax is allowed to cool until it reaches the proper elastic consistency. Skin is gently supported with one hand before removing the wax with the other. The wax is removed quickly and parallel to the skin using a controlled, confident motion. Gentle manual compression is applied immediately afterward to help reduce temporary discomfort. The treated area is carefully inspected to ensure consistent hair removal and healthy skin appearance. Any remaining wax residue is removed using an appropriate post-treatment product. A soothing serum or calming lotion is applied to support the skin's natural recovery. Clients receive aftercare guidance, including hygiene, exfoliation timing, and skincare recommendations. All disposable materials are safely discarded, and reusable equipment and surfaces are disinfected according to infection control standards. Consistent technique, attention to hygiene, and professional standards help create a safe, comfortable, and high-quality waxing experience. Thank you for watching this 2026 Clinical Protocol Overview. Subscribe to MTH Health for more professional health education and training videos.